another video, and in this video I'll be showing you um, how to get leads basically on Instagram, how to get leads, paying leads on Instagram. um, I have been in the business of running a digital agency for probably a minimum of I think 1.5 years now, and I can say confidently that I've earned a minimum of at least a certain amount between 500 and 1k per month running a digital agency. And the truth is that while when you run a digital agency, you need to get leads. That is the basic need to run a digital agency, getting leads. Now, as someone, probably a freelancer or someone who has learned a particular skills, you need to get leads, and there are quicker ways to get these leads if you have the necessary tools to go about getting these leads. And in this video, that is what I'll be sharing with you, that tool that will give you an edge in finding those leads, communicating to them, sending necessary messages to them, and then getting them to buy into the services that you provide. So let's take, for example, you are a UI designer. You just finished learning a particular UI design course. You're good. You are ready to enter the market. You are ready to start finding your own clients. The first thing you want to do is you want to get leads, paying leads that you can provide these services of yours to, and for them to buy into that particular services that you are providing. This is what I'll be sharing with you in this particular video. So as usual, don't forget to subscribe if you will be interested in similar stuffs. Go ahead and subscribe right now. I'll be waiting. I'm sure you have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, then you are missing out in all the values I'll be sharing, in how to run digital agency, how to create your own digital agency, how to get leads as usual, how to run marketing campaigns to get leads, how to get leads using SEO, search engine optimization, to get leads, different things on how to get leads. So I will be sharing that probably in other videos, but in this particular video I'll be sharing with you a particular software that will give you an edge in getting that particular leads. So if you go online, there are different existing platforms, but this is just one of them that I just discovered that is so cool, so simple, and with just one-time payment you'll be able to access the software. It's a cool software. It's cool, it's good, it's nice. And as usual, so the first thing, as usual, there will be a link in the description. It's an affiliate link. I would appreciate it if you can use that affiliate link to exchange for this value I'm giving to you. Use the affiliate link to register on this platform. You have the access to get a free trial, free, using that particular link in the description. So you'll be able to access a free trial to explore the software, and if it's something you like, you can go ahead and buy into the one-time payment subscription for that particular software, or you can decide to just stick to the monthly payment. It's all your choice. So this software is called LeadStal. It's a cool software, LeadStal. So this software does everything for you for lead marketing. So there is no skill in this world that you have that you need a tool that will be able to help you scrape and then send email. The process of getting a lead, communicating to that lead, and getting a reply for that lead, everything is done and simplified on this software here for you. It's called LeadStal. Please don't forget to use the link in the description to get the software. If you look at the pricing, before I go into the pricing, let me quickly show you what this does. First thing it does is it will help you scrape leads on probably Google Map, and then it will scrape leads for you on Instagram or on Bing, if that's what you want. If you are a real estate person and you need real estate leads in a particular country, you can use that as a realtor. And then you can also scrape Zillow, one of the popular platforms in the US that you can use to get. And then after you've done that, it will now also help you find the emails on those platforms, and then you'll be able to send either a bulk email to them, single email, person email, or one particular person email, and then you can also extract email using extraction email extension. It's a cool software. It does everything. You can also validate your email. And then the worst part, I think it also does send text messages. So it's so cool. So I'll be walking you through the software step by step. You enter it, you see everything it does, see how cool it is, and then you'll be able to start using it. That's why the 50,000 users, happy customers around the world. So it's a cool software, and I would recommend you try it out. Someone who is into the deal, lead marketing, this thing. I've used the software, it's cool. So I'll be signing up. I'll be signing up. I think I already have an account with it, but let me just try the account and see if it works with it. So before I go into the login, let's check out the pricing. So before, you can get this particular deal here using my link in the description. With just one-time payment, you'll be able to get this deal. One-time payment, you get lifetime deal using $149. And then you can stick to just using the free trial. The free trial gives you all this, gives you 20 credits per month, and you'll be able to do all of this. All of this. Cool, pretty cool, right? And then for the one-time payment, you'll be able to get 10,000 credits per month to access. If you can look at it here, if you look at this place here, you see that one credit is equal to one value. You cannot see this offer anywhere. I mean it. You cannot see this offer anywhere. So you can also use it to get 2008 for the monthly plan. You can try that as well, but I wouldn't recommend it. There are two things you can use. It's either use the free plan or you buy the lifetime deal. So you can try them out. There is $9 per month. There's $5 per month. There's $100 per month as well. So you can try them out, whichever one you like. I would recommend you go for this one-time payment for lifetime deal for the software. So once you are in, as usual, and explore it. So I'm not going to use my Google to sign in directly, whether it's whether I have an account there or not to sign me in. Now I'm in, and then I want to try out the software. So you can go ahead and check out tutorials on how to use the video using this particular link. I'll just go to the dashboard to check out the tools. For me, I want to use this Instagram scraper. Don't need the Google Maps scraper. So first thing it says to add to Chrome one of its extensions. So I'll be getting the extension, download the extension, and then I have to set up the extension. So there's a video here to set up that will guide you on how to set up the extension. I don't want to go into details on how to, because I feel that I've already done it. I think that's on my other PC. So there's a video that is very straightforward to show you how to go about getting the I wish I would be able to test the software here, but unfortunately I won't be able to in this video, except I do it in another video, but I don't want this video to be too long. So by the time you download the extension, you'll be able to scrape. And you just pick one of the tools, and then to scrape everything. It's a very simple process. To show you just where it is here, you to scrape it. After you scraped it, and then it will do it, and then you'll be able to send emails related to that lead that you have gotten. And then you can also go ahead and chat the person up directly. You use hashtags to find the leads, and then collect the leads, and then you'll be able to send message to them via Instagram. And for the ones that you collected their emails, you to send via emails directly. It's a cool software. I'd recommend you try it out, and I can assure you that by the time you use software, you will love it. This is one of the secret software that is out there that you can use to generate leads and convert leads to paying clients. So sharing the video, liking it, even dropping a comment if you have any challenges using software. See you next one. Bye for now. Thank you.